In a world where everyday carry is becoming smarter, lighter, and more refined, tactical doesn't have to mean bulky or attention-grabbing. In this video, we're showcasing 7 tactical all-black EDC essentials built for discreet professional urban daily carry in 2026 gear that blends sleek design with practical performance. From compact lighting and low-profile tools to minimalist organization and carry solutions, these everyday essentials are designed to help you stay prepared, organized, and ready for whatever the day brings without sacrificing style or professionalism. Number 1. Ever fumble in the dark for a bulky flashlight? Pocket lights feel clumsy, heavy, and impossible to carry daily. Workbenches, cars, and campsites all need better hands-free light. That's why this ultra-slim EDC flashlight changes everything. At only 0.6 inches thin, it fits anywhere. Slip it into your coin pocket and forget the bulk. The deep carry clip keeps it secure during movement. No more rolling flashlights. No more awkward pocket weight. When darkness hits, one light should do more. This model gives you 7 lighting sources in one. Choose white, warm, UV, RGB, strobe, or red. Need softer light? The stepless dial adjusts smoothly. From 300 to 1800 lumens, control stays effortless. Bright enough for camping, repairs, emergencies, and daily carry. When both hands are busy, light should stay put. The magnetic base locks onto cars, pipes, or toolboxes. Set it down, and it becomes a stable work light. No slipping, no rolling, no wasted time adjusting. Pet owners know nighttime play can be tricky. The red light keeps cats engaged without harsh glare. It also helps protect your night vision outdoors. For hidden messes, the UV light reveals what others miss. Stains, inspection spots, even suspicious hotel corners stand out. Built from stainless steel, it feels solid and durable. USB-C charging makes powering up fast and simple. The battery indicator keeps you prepared before every trip. For campers, DIYers, and pet owners, that matters daily. One compact flashlight handles work, travel, and emergencies with ease. Carry less, see more, and stay ready anywhere. This is the pocket light you keep reaching for. Number 2. Night fell. My camp knife vanished before the storm. Every second screamed disaster, and my pack felt helpless. Branches snapped nearby. Something was tearing through the dark. I reached for a tool, expecting another flimsy failure. Then I saw it. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops, a compact 7.1-inch folding blade. Ready for chaos. Its black oxide stainless steel looked cold, ruthless, unshaken. The serrated edge promised control, where panic usually wins. I opened it fast with the finger flipper. Thumb knobs answered instantly, even with shaking hands. No fumbling, no delay. Just immediate, dependable access. The lightweight aluminum handle fit my grip like armor. At only 3.5 ounces, it disappeared in my pocket. But when danger arrived, it felt larger than life. The liner lock snapped secure, refusing to slip. That tiny click sounded like a promise kept. I cut cord, opened gear, and cleared the mess. Every motion felt sharp, smooth, and brutally efficient. Jimping gave my thumb extra confidence under pressure. The pocket clip kept it close, always within reach. What I thought was just another knife changed everything. It became my quiet advantage in the wild. Camping, EDC, survival. It handled each role without complaint. This wasn't luck. It was real reliability. Built for everyday carry, yet ready for emergencies. Tough 7 CR17 MOV steel. Secure lock. Rapid one-hand deployment. A limited lifetime warranty makes the confidence even louder. If you want one knife that won't betray you. Number 3. Meet the mini keychain knife that does more. One compact tool, ready for daily carry. Clip it to your keys, backpack, or belt loop. Lightweight at only 0.92 ounces, built for convenience. Use it for boxes, packages, rope, and quick fixes. The 1.3-inch Tanto blade cuts with control. Serrated edge helps handle tougher materials with ease. Made from durable 440C stainless steel for reliability. The steel handle gives it a solid, premium feel. A secure liner lock keeps the blade firmly open. Work confidently without worrying about accidental closing. When finished, close it smoothly with one simple push. This is practical design made for real everyday use. Need more than a blade? This one delivers. It includes a bottle opener for everyday convenience. Built-in flat screwdriver handles quick on-the-go repairs. 2 hex wrench sizes help with small adjustments. The integrated Carabiner adds fast, secure attachment. You get a key ring too for easy carry. 6 functions in one compact multi-tool, always ready. Perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, and outdoor adventures. Ideal for EDC users who value smart efficiency. A great fit for DIYers tackling daily tasks. Also useful for work, home, and emergency situations. Its small size makes it easy to keep nearby. Legal everyday carry design, under 3 inches. No spring. A stylish tool that upgrades your everyday experience. Practical, portable, and built for usefulness every day. Add it to your gear and carry smarter. Get the Mini Keychain multi-tool and be ready. Number 4. Ever fumbled through a bulky wallet at checkout? My pockets felt stuffed, awkward, and painfully uncomfortable. Cards scratched, cash wrinkled, and everything looked messy. Travel days made it even worse, constantly slowing me down. Then I spotted this sleek Buffway wallet online. The carbon fiber look instantly caught my attention. It looked insanely slim, modern, and seriously premium. I clicked because front pocket carry sounded life-changing. What sold me first? That ultra-thin minimalist design. 8 slots in something this compact felt unreal. I could finally organize cards without bulk. The RFID blocking protection was a huge bonus. No more stressing over digital pickpocketing while traveling. It also feels durable with that faux leather finish. Easy to slip in, easy to pull out. My license, debit cards, and membership cards fit perfectly. Now my pocket stays clean, light, and sharp. No bulge, no clutter, no annoying wallet sitting. It even makes... Number 5. Ever worry your everyday pen does only one thing? Outdoors, emergencies, and daily carry need more than that. A weak pen can feel useless when moments turn urgent. You want something compact, reliable, and ready instantly. That is where the Capique Tactical Pen stands out. Its tungsten steel cap is built for emergency glass breaking. When escape matters, this detail can make a difference. The aerospace-grade aluminum body feels solid, yet stays portable, so you can carry confidence without extra bulk. The low-key black design looks discreet in any setting. It blends in as an everyday pen, not a tool. That means practical protection without drawing unnecessary attention. The textured grip improves control in wet or stressful moments. A threaded handle design adds better slip resistance. You get a secure feel for writing and handling. The round nib writes smoothly for daily notes and tasks. So it works at the office, in the car, or outdoors. This is not just for emergencies. It is a dependable EDC tool for everyday life. Travelers appreciate having one compact item with multiple uses. Outdoor users value gear that saves space and adds readiness. Self-defense-minded users want discreet protection they can carry. This pen delivers that balance with confidence. It includes 6 ink refills for long-term use. The stainless steel accessories and gift box add value. You are not buying a simple pen. You are choosing a practical, everyday carry companion. One tool for writing, emergency escape, and daily preparedness. Compact, durable, and ready when you need it most. Carry it once and feel more prepared every day. Number 6. Last weekend, I wrestled with a stubborn package for 10 minutes. My keychain had nothing useful, and I felt completely stuck. Then I needed to open a bottle and forgot my opener. I also had a loose screw begging for a quick fix. That tiny everyday problem turned into a full frustration moment. While scrolling, I stumbled on this sleek Tizzer titanium pry bar. It looked minimalist, rugged, and seriously made for real EDC. The moment I saw 6 tools in one, I stopped. Bottle opener, pry bar, box opener, screwdriver, ruler, so smart. What grabbed me most was the titanium TC4 construction. It felt premium, tough, and ready for harsh conditions. Plus, it's only 3.94 inches long and super portable. I attached it straight to my keys instantly. Now it rides with me everywhere, completely out of the way. When the next package arrived, opening it was effortless. Need a bottle opened? Done in seconds. Loose screw? Quick twist. No searching through drawers. That's the beauty of carrying the right tool. It solves small problems before they become annoying delays. And the one-piece build feels solid every single time. No bulk, no mess. Just a clean, everyday carry essential. For camping, hiking, or emergency use, it feels unbelievably practical. Honestly, it's the kind of tool you forget until you need it. Then it becomes the hero of your day. If you love EDC gear, this is a must-have. If you need a smart gift, this looks incredible too. For dads, husbands, boyfriends, sons, and friends, it hits hard. So why carry empty keychain space when this can work? Wouldn't you rather be ready for... Number 7. I kept dumping pockets, digging for essentials every single day. Keys, wallet, flashlight, and tools always felt impossible to organize. On busy errands, I wanted hands-free carry desperately, but regular bags looked bulky, awkward, and slow. Then I stumbled onto this M-Tac sling bag. One scroll later, I knew this was different. The compact tactical build instantly caught my attention. That black loop panel looked clean, sleek, and ready. What sold me first was the concealed carry design. The universal holster insert felt fast, secure, and smart. It fit my everyday gear without wasting space. Now everything has a place. Nothing rattles around. I grab essentials faster, with zero pocket chaos. The crossbody setup keeps my hands completely free. Whether commuting or traveling, it stays comfortable all day. The rugged 600D polyester feels tough and dependable. Water resistance gives extra peace of mind outside. Rain, dust, or rough use. It handles all. Multiple compartments make organization ridiculously easy and efficient. Flashlights, pens, knives, and accessories stay perfectly sorted. It's compact, but it carries way more than expected. That balance of size and storage is a game changer. For EDC, outdoor trips, or daily city carry, flawless. For concealed carry users, the access is seriously impressive. I stopped struggling, stopped searching, and started moving faster. This bag turned everyday carry into something effortless. If your gear matters, why keep... That wraps up our list of 7 tactical all-black EDC essentials for discreet professional urban carry in 2026. The right EDC setup isn't about carrying more, it's about carrying smarter, with tools that fit your routine and work seamlessly into everyday life. Whether you're upgrading your pocket setup, streamlining your organization, or building a more capable daily carry system, these essentials offer practical value with a clean, tactical look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more EDC gear, tactical